So let's discover together how to ask something related to a time. In French, bien sûr. So let's start with the first one. What time do you want to have a meeting? À quelle heure voulez-vous avoir une réunion? À quelle heure voulez-vous avoir une réunion? À quelle heure voulez-vous avoir une réunion? So as you can see, I've been changing the order. Voulez, so I've been putting first the verb and after that vous, the subject. So it makes this question quite formal and quite polite. I'm using the vous because just assume that maybe I'm talking to a colleague or maybe my boss. So in that case, I'm using the vous, the polite form. When do you want to have a meeting? Quand voulez-vous avoir une réunion? Quand voulez-vous avoir une réunion? Quand voulez-vous avoir une réunion? Second option, I mean basically the same level of politeness, just putting first the verb, after that the subject, keeping the vous form. What time do you want to go to the cinema? À quelle heure veux-tu aller au cinéma? À quelle heure veux-tu aller au cinéma? À quelle heure veux-tu aller au cinéma? So in that case, I'm talking to a friend, maybe to my wife, maybe to my daughter or my son. I'm using this tu, informal you. So and this is the reason why we end up with the verb veut with the V-E-U-X, so you conjugate it in the second person of the singular. Okay, so still I'm putting the first the verb and after that the subject, but it's also possible, it would be possible to change the order and to keep subject and verb. When do you want to go to the movies? Quand veux-tu aller au cinéma? Quand veux-tu aller au cinéma? Quand veux-tu aller au cinéma? So I could say, tu veux aller au cinéma quand? I mean, it's possible to change the order. This quand makes it a bit more, a bit less flexible to start to play with the order. I could put quand in the end if I wanted, but this is probably the most simple way. So remember, this is informal. So in that case, we're talking about, or we're talking to somebody we know quite well. Okay? Merci beaucoup.